I'm going to create 2 Easter projects today using a Walmart Easter decoration. Now I already had this egg wreath, I've had it for years, and I kind of just like the simplicity of it, but I thought this year, since I have a new grandson, I'm going to zhuzh it up. And I found this at Walmart and thought, I can use this for a couple of different arrangements. So let me just show you what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to take this apart, cutting off the top. I'm going to save that for later and use it in another arrangement. You'll see it's going to be cute. And I'm only going to use 2 of the eggs. I'm measuring to make sure. I thought it would be cute to have those sparkly eggs peeking through behind the Easter egg wreath itself. So I'm just measuring. And then I'm going to remove the 2 that I don't need and set those aside for my second project, which you'll see on this video. I love the sparkle in the eggs. Oh yeah, that's gonna really zhuzh this wreath up great. So now I'm just gonna measure it so I can cut some wire and attach it. I'm just centering it, making sure that I can see both of the eggs. That's going to be cute. Okay, so I'm going to use some florist wire. And I'm simply just going to wrap the wire around the ribbon that's hanging off the eggs. Nothing fancy, just keeping it simple here. Anybody can do this. There we go. And now I just need to find the spot on the back that I'm going to attach it to. There we go. And just tie it tight. Make a little loop out of it so you can hang it. I'm just going to tidy it up a bit, cut off that extra piece that I don't need now that I have my right length. And there you have it. Let me hang it up and show you. Yeah, he's gonna love it. Now, this is what I'm gonna do with those other 3 pieces that I cut off of that one piece. This is something I've had for years, just a basket of grass, and I use it in decorating, just in vignettes. But years ago, I started pulling it out and throwing Easter eggs in it. But this year, I'm gonna zhuzh it up a little bit more. I'm gonna use the Easter eggs, but at Target, I found this cute carrot, and I thought I'm going to stick that in the middle, so it'll give it a little pop of color besides the Easter eggs, which I save my Easter eggs year after year. And there's my cute little carrot. I'm going to stick that in the center. Now that's enough. I mean, that's cute, but since I have those other pieces left over from my Walmart decoration, I'm just going to add it into this to give it a little zhuzh, as I said. Put a little sparkle in it, but it's cute just as is. Here we go. Look at how cute that's going to be. My grandson's going to love that. Happy Easter. And then I'm going to use those 2 eggs, those 2 sparkly eggs. They're so pretty. Look at that. That's going to pop it and just stick it in the grass. So simple. There you go. Look at how cute that came out. Now I'm going to put that on my buffet between my 2 flower arrangements I made. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you did, and come back and join me again.